Hello everyone. We are in the middle of the coronavirus outbreak and I just wanted to share a very simple low-tech ventilator that I made. I haven't invented anything about this. This is very old school. It is based on old magazine articles from the days of polio, and it just happens that if you're doing something very primitive like that, it is easier to build fast, easier to build with what you have. So normally I would start a project by making lots of drawings and doing lots of calculations, and only then proceed to specify parts or make parts. In this case though, it's sort of the other way around. There's been no calculations, and instead I have the concept from these old articles, but it was just a matter of scrounging for parts here in the garage and improvising, making do with what you have. So here we go. The overall concept is really simple. It is a big box. The box has a removable front. The patient would get in here, lie down. We could add some cushions. And there is a neoprene gasket that I cut from a donated wetsuit. And this is powered by a vacuum cleaner. And so what the vacuum cleaner is going to do is it's going to suck air out of the box, dropping the pressure. That will expand the patient's lungs. And then rhythmically it does that, it alternates expanding, dropping the pressure with adding air back in. So that's when the patient breathes out. And the trick is just how to do the timing and switching of the vacuum cleaner to accomplish that. Let me show you. Down here, we start out with a very basic little battery charger for the lawn tractor. That is driving an old gear motor that I bought on eBay more than 20 years ago. That gear motor actually says made in West Germany, which I take to mean it's very well made. That then drives a home-built valve through a go-kart gearing. That's go-kart gears and go-kart chain. The heart of this whole thing is the valve. So the valve is made principally out of that green plastic thing. That is an organizer box. The kind of organizer box that has little pizza slice shaped segments in it and a rotating top. And you can use it for little nuts and bolts and things. So what I did was I knocked out the segments, the dividers, and left only two. So we have inside this one straight divider that goes right across. And that piece of plastic is held against a wooden disc that has 4 holes in it. One is just open to the air because it's the intake of the exhaust. One is the end of the vacuum cleaner that sucks, the other is the end of the vacuum cleaner that blows, and the last one is a hose into the box. So as this plastic rotates, the divider rotates, it switches between the holes, it switches the direction of the airflow. And an important detail is the holes are arranged such that the part of the cycle in which the patient is inhaling goes through twice as many degrees as the part where the patient is exhaling. That just mimics natural breathing better. We inhale more slowly than we exhale. And that's it. The rest of it is simply vacuum cleaner with the hoses attached. Let's show you how this works. Here's when I feel that a magician is about to saw me in half. That is very strange. Somebody breathing for you. You have it, even talking of this adjust your temper to the machine. All right. Okay.